All right, hello everyone again. This is my little video on verlede tijd, which is past tense. So this is how to put present tense into past tense in Afrikaans. So we have 3 steps. When we change, I think I should say this first, when we change a sentence from present tense into past tense, we have to. So here are our 3 steps. Step number 1, we have to find the verb. So if you can find the verb in the sentence, then you can do past tense. The verb is usually the second thing in the sentence. Not always the second word, it's the second thing. Step number 2 is move the verb that you've now found, right, to the back of the sentence and put a ge in front. Okay, so step number 3 is where you have taken out verb 1, where you moved that from, where it was originally. There you need to put the word het. So here's my example. This is my sentence. Ek skop die bal. So ek is my subject, that's the person doing the action. Skop is my verb. So there I've written a number 1, so you can see step 1. I've identified my verb as skop. Then step 2 is this. I need to move this verb to the back and add a ge. So now it becomes geskop instead of just skop. Step 3 is where you put a het where you've taken out your first skop. Because now we've got something missing there. If we take out this word, we don't have something there, and that doesn't make any sense. So we need to add something as a placeholder for our verb. And we are going to add het, which means have or has. If it's a main verb, if it's just like this, if it's with a ge, it's usually called a past tense marker. So it's just there to show us that this sentence is in past tense. So here's what the final sentence will look like. Ek het, see I've added my het here where the skop used to be, because skop was second there in that sentence. Here het is second. So I've replaced skop with het. And here we've got die bal, which is your object. And at the end of the sentence, you can see where I've written geskop, because that's where you're going to put your verb now. I hope this helps. Give it a try and listen to it again if you are struggling. Otherwise, just let me know.